Hi viewers, today we're going to review and look inside this 65 watts Ugreen fast charger. As you can see, it has thermal protection, GaNinfinity chip inside. We will look inside it, and this is an Exodus series which has a 3-port GNF fast charger, and this is the back outside. It's manufacturing. This one has a GaNinfinity chip inside, which generally Ugreen put it inside the Pro series. So we will look inside it. This is the box. On the back side you can see the specifications for each port. So you can see we will test later. So as you can see the different power rating for the each and every port. So now we want to open the box and see inside. So this one has a GaNinfinity chip inside it. It's a proprietary GNA technology for the Ugreen. Generally they will use it in the Pro series. So as this is not a Pro series, just an S series. Just as you can see, it was not mentioned as a Pro series. We will look inside. So this is the box. This is paperwork. So user instruction. We will see each and every. Let's see the user instructions. This is sorry. We will see this instructions. This power specifications. Multi-language. This is English. These are the specifications for C1, C2 type, and the contents, package contents. We will not get any cable for this, just the charger. So let's keep it aside. And this is normal. Let's see, look inside this user manual. So all multi-language. So just product safety instructions. That's it. Nothing. Keep it aside. This is a charger. Feels like a little bit heavy, like it's made of all metal. So seems to be premium quality. As you know, Ugreen is a top brand. So we'll see. This is the charger. So 65 watt. It's Exodus series. That's it. It was not mentioned anywhere like it's a Pro series. So we will look inside. Anyhow, these are the specifications. You can see 65 watt and the power specifications for each pin. C1 C type C1 type C1 port to type C C1 and C2 ports, and a type A port. These are the ports. Let's see if we have anything in the box. So it will be just empty, I think, because there will be no cable inside. Okay, that's empty. That's empty box. That's it. Only charger and paperwork. So this is the charger. Feels heavy, premium quality product from a popular brand. So see the specifications on the back. So now we will look inside. So you can see it was fully covered with that graphite thing for thermal dissipation. This is the front side, the output port side. You can see a single capacitor and the chips. Beside we have a lot of capacitors. And the tailor thing is the SMP switching transistor. This is the input side, and single converter chip, AC to DC, AC to DC converter chip. On the bottom we have the main PCB. You can see we have two ICs. Not sure which one is the GaNinfinity chip. Might be this one, or if anyone knows, leave a comment. This one has no branding logo in it. I'm thinking this is the GaNinfinity chip. So as you can see, there is no brand, like this one has some symbol on it, this IC. So this may be a controller, something like that. And the other one will be GaNinfinity chip. Not sure. If anyone knows, leave a comment. This is the input side, output side, and you can see a lot of graphite heat dissipation kind of substance. And this side I have pad, thermal dissipation pad. You can see the transform SMPS, transform, and the capacitors. Everything was like, not sure which, like every GN charger will have this kind of thing. Now we will see the outputs from the type C port. We'll check whether it's setting loud test. By default we'll check with the 5 volts. This is a trigger decoy board. I'm testing 9 volts. It's sending out 12 volts, 15 volts, 30 volts. So it's sending out all the mentioned voltages, the 4 voltages, 5, 9, 15, 20. So it's sending out the power. So you can connect multiple devices. It has multi-protocol support as well. Okay, thanks for watching.